Baby I'll be am in Chiaka Siena and Mau. And Cramofo ye Yenianum. Cramofo Yenianum. Omo ye Ghana for be a Ghana for Cramofo and Mina Memo and Cramofo now for Bibri. I'll be a go back and Nipa and Person common because almost do. But I said, Sanity and Yabeka. Black Rasta, I can say me, that person before us. As a month now, Moses na you are your fancy schools, no fancy companies. Young when you go to Black Rasta. Anyway, I expose GH.
Aye. Kakra mekanono.
Stop building too many mosques. Chief Imam warns Muslims, and Chief Imam is in quotes. To those of us who do not know the Chief Imam of the Republic, is over 100 years. He's a very noble man. I love him. The Chief Imam of the Republic of Ghana is this very wonderful, pious man. Alhaji Osman Nuhu Sharubutu. He's so respected. He has been able to keep the peace in the Zongos. He is a man who is full of knowledge. My brother, my sister, all the other imams in Ghana are under him. He is the chief imam. But there's a man that I love as well. And he is in Wale Wale. In Wale Wale, they call him the chief imam. Some people call him Yasin around the world. Now, he has become extremely popular in the area. He's been to Mecca a couple of times. And recently, he married a young wife. He has the masses in Wale Wale follow him. Sheikh Yasin around the world is so angry and is warning Muslims all over Ghana to stop building too many mosques. He has cursed them. First and foremost, my brother, my sister, he spoke in Hausa so that the people in the Zongos would hear him. Let's listen to him, and when we return, I have something more interesting. Watch this.
May God help us. Now this Islam, now they are joking the Islam. They are doing what they like in this world. They are building the mosques. You can see the house, two houses. Between the two houses, this man will build a mosque. This man will build a mosque. But the mosque is not like that. They say one area, you can have one mosque. Go to Saudi and ask them. They are not building the mosques like that. But people are building mosques by without no reason. Without no reason. They are doing by yes. The Islam, they are joking the Islam. It's not the right way. But I will say it, and yes, I will say it. They are not building the mosques like that. Why? One area, you can have mosques like 10 or 100. What do you mean of them? If now anyone at all build a house, they will build mosques inside the house. What do you mean of this? And Quran say, "What is the jamia? What are the faraku?" That's you should gather and pray and pray God. But now we are separating and praying God. Everybody needs leadership. Leadership. And no one will say the truth. No one will say the truth. I'm talking to the world all. Stop that one. The Israel is not joking one. If you God in. It's not any human being. What of not this? Now on God. Support those that supporting the Islam, support them. Yes. Those that want to weaken the Islam, God, punish them. Yes. Punish them. Yes. Let them suffer. Yes. Let them suffer. Yes. Let some of them come like cripples. They will cry. Yes. They will suffer. Yes. Let the angels bring fireworks inside their heads, on top of their heads, and they cry, why? They will cry, suffering. God, do them bad people like that. Cry, now honor God. Do that in the name of Yasin. Ya Rabbi, Ya Rabbi. Takabadu ana. Bizatika kudar ko jalaka. Kun Ya Rabbi. Takabadu ana. Huwa Allah ala kulli shay qadir. Ya Rabbi unsur man ansur ad-din. Wa azil maratala din Ya Rabbi. Huwa Allah ala kulli shay qadir. Kai, stop that life, bad life. Building mosques by yes. Without no reason. Why? Why? And say Islam. This man have house, he will build mosque. This man have house. Why? They are not building mosques like that. Why? Tesimu bihabli la jamia. Why? Tesimu bihabli la jamia wala tafaraku. Now we are separating. No, unite. The Islam is unite. Peace. But now no peace. Jealousy only. People are divided. Everybody divide now. And why? What of the meaning of this? Akimu salatu wa atu zakat wa haji bait wa sum Ramadan. Hey? Anta shadu la ilaha illallah wa anna Muhammad Rasulullah. Wa ikam salat wa zakat wa haji bait wa sum Ramadan. That's the Islam. And stop bad things. And do good, that's all. But now you are joking the Islam. Everybody want need leadership. What of meaning of this?
Yasin around the world. Sheikh Al-Hajj Mustafa Yasin. He's simply called Yasin around the world. And in Wale Wale, people call him the chief imam. He has a big warning to everybody. After this, he spoke other languages like the Gbani. But we don't have too much time. And the message is clear. Now, this man has been able to attract a huge following around him, from both young and old. Sometimes he sings freestyle. Other times he curses people and calls upon the thunder of God upon them. He has a huge following in Wale Wale, huge following in Tamale, huge following in Bolgatanga. On his way to Mecca, when he arrived in Accra, there was almost a stampede. So many people from the Zongos came for him to pray for them.
Welcome. Wakutiaba. Aha. Share religion. It can make you or break you. The Biamika. Mese Ghana Benia, a religion and a chieftain's tribal and politics. And the mean saying. Never religion to obi koku ni mami. Religion to obi shena ho. Religion to ene obi nya adwuma. Religion to obi atam ni dwotre nya de akoma sofo. Eye religion faith. But bibisa wo say Ghana your religious belief no eya tra kwasasem. Because you know me Oko Saudi Arabia, the birthplace of Muslim or Islam. Open the best schools it's found in Saudi Arabia. The best companies and then open some would do when Dubai, Saudi Arabia. Also because of Kojinani. Saudi Arabia for when Amunya film and now who call your Zongo community to be my way fee. Amunko school. Kronu pia beba Ghana bia obenya mos obenya kramoni baku. And sorry na yes see what baby bebre no doesn't make us more Muslim or more Christian. Make a way na make a Christian for us Jimmy no afori two religions saying na because you be niam be we friend necessity. And now yeah odi afaka na coaching wozongo fonim ubanse boys no mtete ho e bi boss pa e bi body ben e bi monom attire na bisa wo say enti memma we ya omoti we ya ono onsu adwuma school nu wajai onye hwe bisa say adwuma be na dachi oba be ye na odi ahwe ne yere ne ma nti na omu na fraud no ani kro no ye bo 80 pe no the master share nanim moto o corner of Canada moto for ye bo etanom twitwitwa nipa omu nyina nkramofo fa kramofo about 80%. So religion na kasa na mo pese eye yakono no by virtue of mo amoho no say religion no. If you say Islam your peace na niam mo ye de anya peace ene kramoni wu ni ekokosie na jimisem mo ye na obi a block road omu kramoto na obi a block road bisa wo senti ye ni mbie da na me wa ukwa Saudi Arabia not sure way of life. I will say these are what we call an enlightened people. Ya de jimie no obetimi akoye road zongo na nia ben ho say obehu da bia ne block road obi ware midweek no be ware midweek no no mataya no ma block road jimi samusa in the name of religion minianum mini won kemofo na be breach. So I know what I'm talking about. Me no mo shia am 12 because when me be a wiase ne e wo no ese wo de won saye adwuma. You need to have what we call business doing. Be fraud in your business. The way omotiti omonkola na e wrong. Enti kemofo zongo bia no kwa na no ma ye e debe straight for road nim. Omo man even how to even cross road. Enti akola timi ko gina road before the born na no mo ba na so ma bom jimie 7% you have to be counted that. You need to go to schools. We have very enlightened Muslims in Ghana, but majority of them are not making sense. Omunti or somebody pass. And then to send your papa ne kano was it my sister zongo, my sister mosque, a juma way. And then I'm not mo fa binye see a juma ne kofo nya juma nye. And na mo fa schools na sama kanata na sem twam. Nya sabi ani. Because and then me normal school ya chaye Islamic teaching or ya chaye Christian teaching or what again do you need say every time you want to be monkwa. What is wrong with you people? Chief Imam or one of the most peaceful persons. Sometimes you are sure because and somebody be a bad anymore. None the near more good anymore say. Because in church and the war Quran, you people you don't even believe it. Because Uchitia ya will be a Quran match say wo te ento omoya abolition omo wrong no. But obeko will be a fee and a war. And you call yourself say you are following Allah. Allah is or you be a sabi or ya kronkron or you be a or your friend say clean. You can so be a clean or clean. Until we fear, what do you follow Allah? Or you be a way to trust a man, what do you follow Allah? Or you be a won't go school, sabi what you near the man, won't find your shame, what the no tire, won't follow Allah. Let's be real. It is time I say they changes about your religious structure in both Christians and the Muslims. Ya nyasa Ghana, ya go baby ya. Ya papa ni kan me fuano so. There are too many mosques in Ghana. We need businesses in your schools. And only here. I Xposed GHFM, subscribe, share. Minute to man now, so I can be man.